Today we got a video from Patrol Stories TV, and the title of the video is Bratty Teen Thinks TikTok Hacks Will Work with Real Cops.
Get out of the car right now.
Did I get permission for this? What the fuck is you call yourself a police, if you can't pull me out of my car, And if you want, bro, I'll give you my address we meet up to see how tough you are. You're not gonna open the door, my nigga? What the fuck problem, bro? Open the fuck door, nigga.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you? My name is Officer Kaufman with PD. Get your license, registration, insurance for the car?
Why?
What's that?
Why?
I'm stopping you for speeding.
How much speeding?
118 miles per hour on a 50.
There's no 50 here.
Okay. So I need your documents.
Why?
Driver's license, registration,
Why?
insurance.
Take your supervisor here and we'll take that to court. Okay, that's...
Are you gonna give me your stuff or not?
No.
You're not giving me your stuff?
No.
Okay. Why is that?
Am I suspected of being in a crime? Am I detained?
Yes.
Why?
You are. For speeding.
How? You know why why I'm in the emergency line?
Please explain.
You see that girl right there?
Mm-hmm.
She has surgery in her arm.
Okay.
And I was not going 118, whatever you're saying.
Okay.
And you know I wasn't. And you know that's not a 50 line. That's an emergency line.
Mm-hmm.
You want to know the emergency? You want proof of the emergency?
Where's the 5?
She's going to the hospital now. And I was not going 118, how you telling me I was.
Okay.
And you know I wasn't.
I see.
And you know that line is not a 50 miles per hour.
No. Route 1 is 50 miles per hour, no matter which lane you're in. That's the speed limit, right?
What's that line for?
What line?
That line that I was in.
The line or the lane you're talking about?
Yeah, the lane is the same thing.
The lane?
What line is that for? Emergency. And I was not going 118 how you was telling me.
Oh, you're talking about the fast lane?
I will give you my information if I had to reason why to give it to you, but I don't.
Mm-hmm.
Bring your supervisor then. We'll take it to court. I go to anywhere.
Okay.
And let's see what's gonna happen.
Okay.
You wanna do something? That's on you. You know I wasn't speeding.
I know you were.
Come on.
I know as a fact you were speeding.
Really?
Yeah.
You got proof that?
He tripping because going 118 in a 50, you can go to jail. Like what is that? That's what, 60? No. 68? 68 miles over? You can definitely go to jail. For sure. Going 68 miles over the speed limit? Man, I would play it real cool, boy. Real cool.
I do.
Okay. So I told you already. Take me to court. Bring your supervisor. Bring what you gotta do. I'll go anywhere I gotta go.
Okay.
And I show you anything I gotta go. Bring your supervisor in.
Okay.
Am I suspected of being in a crime? Am I suspected of being in a crime? And you're gonna tell me why am I detained in the court? Why am I'm
You're detained for a motor vehicle violation. Step out of the car.
I don't have to step out.
Step out of the car. Step out of the car right now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I don't have
Get out of the car. I'm taking you out of the car right now. Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. Let's go out of the car right now. Out of the car. You're under arrest for obstruction. Get out of the car right now. Right now. Right now.
Don't fight it. Just get out.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car right now.
I can see your recording.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now. You're under arrest for obstruction. Get out.
Just get out.
Get out. Get out.
Get out the car. Get out the car. Get out the car.
Get out, bro. Get out. Get out right now.
Hey, I'm not gonna tell you again. Get out the car.
Get out.
Look what you're doing.
Get out of the car right now. You're under
Get out the car.
Get out of the car right now.
Why you open my door?
Get out of the car right now.
Did I give you permission to open my door?
Get out of the car right now.
Did I give you permission for this? Get down.
Get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for the last time.
Okay.
Enough.
Okay. Okay,
I
let
gotta
me
secure
out.
your handcuffs.
You already got me handcuffed before.
Stop talking. That's it. Just stop.
You got a mouth?
Stop.
You got a mouth?
That's it. Just stop.
Okay, roll to your side. Roll to your side.
Respectfully, you didn't want to get out
Roll
of
to
the
your side.
Special for what? Shut the f out of the
Roll to your side. Bring your knees in. There you go.
dumbass. Look at your 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's go. We gotta walk. Come on.
Let's see what you're gonna do in court. let's see what you're gonna do.
1 second, I just got to search.
Search what, nigga? You ain't searching me.
Yes, I am. Face the car. Face the car.
Dude, stop.
Why does
Stop.
Shut the f up.
Relax. Relax.
Don't need racing, nigga. I got proof, bitch. Nigga.
I'm not racing.
I got proof, you fucking fat bitch.
How old are you?
Shut the fuck up, bitch. I don't want to talk to you, you fucking dumb. I ain't telling you shit. You're gonna see me in court, you fucking bitch ass nigga. Shut the fuck up. That don't matter to you, you fucking white bitch. Dumb ass nigga. Fucking bitch ass nigga. Why you stopping me anyways, you fucking bitch ass? You see what's gonna happen to you. You seen the videos on TikTok? This is what's gonna happen to you, you fucking white bitch. Looking little ass nigga. We got 5 niggas. Wish you couldn't get me out the fucking court. Dumbass. See what you gonna do when I bring you to court. Dumbass nigga, bro. That's the funny shit, that you think that you something else because you got a fucking uniform on. Fucking bitch nigga, bro. You don't got nothing else to do with your life, bro? You're not ashamed of your fucking life? You piece of shit of life? Living by everybody's rules, you fucking white piece of shit. That's what you is. You a white piece of shit. Little white skinny ass little dude. I wish, bro, I fuck you up, bro. I wish you wouldn't have that uniform on. And if you want, bro, I'll give you my address and we meet up to see how tough you are.
Tough you are.
Fuck bitch ass nigga. Wanna always act up because you got a fucking uniform on. Fuck dumb ass nigga. But let's see how it's gonna go on for you. Who know nobody gave you authorization to open that door that you did open. Big ass. In control. You don't even have power of your own wife, man. That's why you over here, you don't even know what she doing. That's what's up, right? You thinking about it, huh? Because you ain't shit. Think about it. You ain't shit, nigga. That's what I said. You got no life. You got no life, nigga. You ain't getting shit out of me, nigga. Watch when I call my lawyer. Let's see what you're gonna do. You white piece of shit. What, nigga?
You have to tell me your name.
Why?
Because you have to identify yourself.
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
Why?
Because
you got proof? Okay, fuck it. Okay.
So
of what?
Tell me your name?
Of what?
What's that?
You got a life? Can you answer me that?
You gotta answer me.
You answer me? Why I gotta answer you, you piece of shit? I don't gotta answer nothing to you. You fucking motherfucking bitch. You don't control me, nigga. You don't tell me what I gotta tell you, nigga. Crazy. You race me, nigga. You feed me, nigga. You stupid, bro. Fuck everybody, nigga. Stupid ass nigga. You gotta pull 6 niggas to pull me out of my car, bro. You couldn't do it, right? You piece of shit. That's what happened, right? What the fuck is you call yourself a police, nigga? You can't pull me out of my car, nigga. What's up? And you're gonna tell me why you gotta keep me detained and all of that shit because you think I don't know my rules, nigga. I'm a fucking American, nigga. That's what's up. Fucking ass, nigga. You doing always stupid shit, bro. That's why you get sued and everything, bro. You're always getting fired and losing your piece of shit of life because you always want to act more than everybody. You ain't shit.
29.
Open this shit, man. What the fuck is your fucking problem, bro? You're not gonna open the door, man? What the fuck is your problem, bro? Open the fucking door, nigga. What the fuck is your problem, nigga? Open the door, nigga. You can't fucking breathe. You fucking deaf, nigga.
Yes. Don't kick the door.
Then don't fucking open it, bro, because I'm telling you nicely, bro, to open the door. I've been telling you, bro, open the door, nigga. Going no fucking where. You got me in Camp Hub. What the fuck is your problem? You think I'm a super bean or what, nigga? You got me in handcuff, nigga. Open the door. I can't fucking breathe, nigga.
Lower the window.
Then lower the fucking window, you fucking ass nigga. Okay, you okay? Oh, you don't want to open it? Okay. You saw what he did?
You're gonna relax.
I don't gotta relax, bro. Then open the
If that door
window.
would've hit me, it would've been problems.
What problems?
Get out, come
What problems, nigga?
Are you over 18 or not?
Yes, I'm over 18.
Okay. What's your name?
You don't gotta know my name.
Yes,
Keep
I
me
do.
long as you want here.
Okay, then we're gonna be here all night.
To call my lawyer.
We're gonna be here all night if I don't tell you. You don't tell me.
You can't let me call my lawyer?
Tell me your name.
You can't let me call my lawyer?
No. We don't need to talk to your lawyer right now.
I need to talk to my lawyer, bro.
You can talk to them after. Okay, what's your name?
Anthony Gonzalez, bro.
Anthony Gonzalez was arrested and charged with obstruction, resisting arrest, contempt, and issued summonses for speeding, reckless driving, driving without a license, and failure to exhibit documents.
He got a potty mouth, don't he? Golly. What's up with these kids nowadays? He got a potty mouth. Wash it out with soap. His mom ain't wash his mouth out with soap as a kid. And the ladies is attracted to that, huh? He got his lady in the car, you know. Speeding 118. 118 is crazy. There's no excuse for you to even be going that fast. Like, none. Not no 118. That like, okay, if you on the highway and you doing 80, maybe even 85, you know, all right. That's still crazy, but 118? That's a whole nother level of like, yeah, you definitely going to jail. I don't know what TikTok videos he was watching, but they led him down the wrong path. The wrong path. You know, I don't know what's up with these kids nowadays, man. They got potty mouths. Think they tough. Guys like that, they gotta sit. The only way that they gonna learn is if they sit. And when I mean by sit down. We gonna catch you in about 2 years. Sit down for 2 years. Then maybe you'll learn something. But if you just getting probation and doing nothing, like, you're not gonna learn nothing because you face no real consequences. For some people, probation and things like that may be difficult, but ain't nothing as difficult as actually going to jail or prison. So, you know, since he missed the tough guy, he want to show off in front of his girl. Okay, sit down for 2 years. You know what I mean? Go be tough in there. And then you was talking about how, he said, yeah, the reason why you here, you don't know what your wife doing. You don't got no control over it. This and that. Listen, if you got to go sit down for 2 years, you expect her not to do nothing for 2 years? Shit, crazy. She gonna be doing her thing. Rightfully so. You know what I'm saying? I seen it all the time when I was in corrections. Shoot, boy, what? Guys, they girlfriends is, it get crazy. Girlfriends bring it, because in the prison system, guys don't really go to, and people don't talk about this really, like, you know, and I never worked in a female prison, but I've had friends who worked in female prisons. And girls don't get visits like that. Guys, you know, if you're in a relationship and your girl go to jail, guys ain't going to go see their girl like that. Not like how the women go see the men. Now, it's a completely different story when women go see the men. You know, women, you know, sometimes they could even be doing their thing. They could be, you know, whatever, fucking and sucking and doing whatever, right? But if they got visits on Saturday or whatever the case may be, they gonna come see they guy, you know what I mean? They gonna come see their guy or their baby father or whoever, you know what I mean? That's, you know, or if they need packages and stuff like that, girls are more loyal like that, you know. Like I said, men and women have needs, so they gonna be doing whatever regardless. But, you know, while you in there, the girls are more likely to hold it down for you, you know, making sure you got money on your books, things in that nature, go visit you, stuff like that, versus the guys visiting the girls, you know what I mean? Because I've seen it a few times, man. There'll be girls going to go see their man or whatever. After the visits and all of that or whatever, she might be at the bars, the same bars that, you know, where do you think COs and cops go to? You know, they go to the same places that everybody go to in the town. You know what I mean? There might be a couple of bars or clubs or whatever, all going to the same spot with regular people. So it's very common for you to see a chick that may be on a visit. You know, she came to visit her man. Visitation is on the weekend or whatever, but while they on visitation, all right, let me give you a prime example. New York, right? You got New York City and then you got upstate. a lot of inmates come from New York City, right? But when they get sentenced to prison after Rikers Island, they get sent upstate. So let's say they get sent upstate, it might be 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. If you going up to Buffalo, you know, you talking 6 hours at least. So 8 hours, something like that. Anyway, visitations is on the weekend, right? So the girl may come up. She got to visit her man on Saturdays and Sundays or whatever the case may be. She come up, spend the weekend, get a little hotel, whatever, because it's far away from the city. But what you think she gonna be doing? Visitation is only so many hours. So she gonna go check out the local bars or the local clubs or whatever. So it's really common for you to see a chick that visiting an inmate, but you see her in the bar or the club that night with another dude. The dude don't know that she up here because she visited an inmate or something like that or whatever, but it's common. So I don't even know how I got on that tangent, but anyways, that slick comment that he made about you can't even control your woman, you know, whatever. Listen, if you had to go up the road, and let me say this, no, it's not always, because I know some people get butthurt, you know what I'm saying? It's not always, right? We're not talking about everything is 100%, you know. Like, if you go to jail, your girl is 100% going to cheat on you. Or if you're a girl and a guy goes to jail, the man is in 100% going to cheat on you. I'm not saying that because I know you guys, some of y'all be, well, not always. Not every person is like that. Oh, God. Y'all be killing me with that comment, boy. Not always. No, duh. We're just talking about probabilities. Is more than likely or less than likely. Like, come on. We got to use our brains here. We're not saying everything is 100%. But anyway, because I made a comment on another video, yesterday's video, when the guy pretty much crashed out because of the divorce and all that stuff that he had. And I went on this rant about not getting married and, you know, a lot of times guys get screwed and divorced or whatever. And then I had a comment. Somebody said something. Well, not always is it the guy or whatever. It's like, oh, God. I know that. I get it. I know that. It's not always. It's not 100%. We know that. We're just talking about more than likely. Come on, man. Like, we're talking probabilities here. Like, we got to start using our... Come on, man. It is just... Because, you know, I be reading all the comments, but when I see, I was just like... Duh. Not saying that. Okay? Get stuck on one little piece of what I say instead of understanding the whole picture. Whoever is the breadwinner is going to get screwed. More than likely, a lot of the times, it's the guy who is the breadwinner. That just goes back to in time. You know, guys are known to be, you know, providers, protectors, this and that. Now, as we've come along into the new age, you know, women are more, you know, in the work fields just like men and doing their thing and, you know, getting to that bag and, you know, doing their thing. You know, I ain't hating on them, you know, do your thing. But I'm just saying, okay, understand the whole message and don't just get stuck on one little piece of what I say. Anyway, that's my rant for this video. 9-minute video turns into 19 minutes. Ain't that something? You know, I did a lot of talking. Anyway, I give the officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.